is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake once again, and the challenge for today is going to be catching some fish on Twizzlers. I did a gummy worm challenge and that was kind of tough. It was kind of annoying, and today I'm going to try it out with Twizzlers. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Fishing has been kind of tough lately, so I'm going to try and catch some fish on some Twizzlers. Let's get to it. Alright everybody, so this is the first spot that I'm going to be trying out right here in this little area. I'm gonna go ahead and open these fresh pack of Twizzlers. I personally don't like Twizzlers, so if fish don't eat this today, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Hopefully fish do eat them. I'm gonna Texas rig it. I don't know if anyone has actually Texas rigged a Twizzler before. Oh, this is hard. Today's challenge is gonna be a pain. I'm already struggling to get this bait on my hook. It's tearing apart easily. I'm gonna have to change up my setup because I can't Texas rig this bait. I'm gonna have to do it like a wacky rig, and Texas rigging it is gonna be pretty hard. The Texas rig Twizzler wasn't working out, so I went ahead and tied on like a drop shot setup. The weight might be a little too close, but that's fine. I never fish with drop shot setups, and that is because Texas rig never gets hung up, and I don't like to get hung up. So even then, I still get hung up. I have this tiny hook that I'm going to be using. I'm just gonna be putting it down the middle, just like that, and that's going to be my setup for today. A little janky, I know. This drop shot weight should be a little higher, but that's fine. I'll just leave it like that. Fish with it, and if I don't get any bites, or if I start missing fish, it looks pretty good honestly in the water. All right, I'll fish with this for a bit. Hopefully I get some bites. Sadly, I do not have a bigger hook. It's a pretty small hook, but to my understanding, drop shot setups have small hooks either way, so technically I should be fine. But I'll fish this area close to the left, and hopefully we can land a fish today. Let's get to it. So the problem I'm having with these Twizzlers is they keep coming off. This is like my third Twizzler already, and like I'm not even that far in, so like I have to be like very careful when I cast. I can't reel it in too fast. It's just a challenge. Like it's literally, oh, was that a bite? Is that a bite? Oh, I think I had a fish on, and my Twizzler came off because I just pulled it hard. Like I'm saying, that's the only problem with the Twizzler. It comes off easily and it just breaks off. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know how I'm gonna make it happen today. Hopefully I can land a fish on a Twizzler before I run out of them. I might just fish normally, like with regular baits, and then cast in areas where there's like a great chance of there being fish there. Hopefully catch one on the Twizzler. But if I start running out of Twizzlers, that might be my last option, because I mean, I'm like 3/4 of the way on the pack already, and I'm not even to the other side of the cove. I'm gonna head over to another spot right now on that side and then make my way down to the left. So I'll make a few more casts with this Twizzler and then I'll head over there. There we go everybody, first fish of the day. Not on a Twizzler, on a popper. That is a nice one. That is a decent one. That is a nice fish. There we go everybody. First fish of the day on a popper. That's a big smallmouth. I am running out of Twizzlers, so I just started fishing topwater on the side, and out came this guy. I did not expect to catch a fish on topwater today. There we go everyone, first fish of the day, probably about 1.5 pounds. Nice smallmouth. I'll take it, I don't care. I've been fishing for about 1.5 hours trying to catch a fish on Twizzlers, and they've just been deteriorating, falling off, so I've been fishing with topwater on the side, and I got this guy. Not bad. Go ahead and let this fish go. Fought super hard. There he goes. Really want to catch a fish on a Twizzler though, really do. So I made it to the docks, and this is my absolute last chance to be able to catch a fish on a Twizzler. I am down to 2 Twizzlers, and I saved them specifically for this area. It's been tough everybody. I probably gotten like 1 bite, and that was like maybe. I know fish see my bait. I know fish see the Twizzler. I saw a fish earlier and I put my Twizzler in front of him. He wasn't phased. I don't think he even looked at it. I mean, he didn't care. So I'm gonna fish the docks. I really hope I can land one. Like I said, I'm down to 2 Twizzlers. Hopefully we can make it happen. Let's get to it. All right everybody, so I failed the challenge of trying to catch a fish on the Twizzler. Gave it my all, tried my best, saw some bass. They did not commit. Ran out of Twizzlers. That's not going to stop me from fishing. I'm going to continue fishing with topwater this whole area. See if I can land one more fish. I'm a little salty about this one. I did see a little bass. Look at my Twizzler right now. The last Twizzler, literally the last Twizzler, I saw a bass come up to it, small bass, and my Twizzler fell apart right in front of my face. I don't know if he ate it or not. It sucks. If you want to see another challenge just like this, where I try and catch a fish on a Twizzler, bring some more Twizzlers, drop a comment down below and I'll make sure to give it a shot. Make a part 2, because this challenge was tough. Maybe if I had more Twizzlers, I could make it happen, but I ran out of Twizzlers. I apologize that this challenge is not gonna happen today. This is probably one of the hardest fishing challenges that I have done. I tried, everybody. Keep fishing, see if I can land any on top water. There's like a little perch or something trying to eat my bait. There he is again. See if he comes back, if I can catch him. I don't think I can. I think he's too small. I got him. I got him. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? I think it's a little bluegill. Yes! Second fish of the day. New species, everybody. I really try to let him eat it. There you go, everybody. Second fish of the day. New species. Nice bluegill. Go ahead and let that fish go. On a topwater popper. This shows you that this thing can catch anything. I really wish I had some Twizzlers. I could probably catch those all day with Twizzlers. I don't know why I didn't think of fishing for bluegill with Twizzlers. Maybe next video. Right there. Something just ate it. Oh, these bluegill. Look, I literally see him. I got one. What is that? I think that's a bass. No, it's a bluegill. Another dang bluegill. It's a big one. There you go, everybody. Second bluegill of the day. There he goes. Back in the water. I somehow always manage to catch bluegill. I'm trying to catch a bass and I catch bluegill on a bass bait. Alright, everybody. I literally just saw a fish busting, keep busting. And I was like, maybe that's a school. I tossed my topwater in there. Right as it landed on the water. Man, I really wish I would have gotten that on video. That would have been amazing. Second bass of the day. Get in here, buddy. In the net. There we go, everybody. Second fish of the day. Literally as it landed on the water, I just pressed record because that was insane. There we go, everyone. Probably the last fish of the day. Not a bad one. Crazy topwater blow up. So aggressive. Gotta love that. Kind of salty that I didn't get that on camera, but at least we landed one more bass. Still a pretty good day. Alright, everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 4 fish in total today. Came in clutch there at the end with that last bass. I tried my absolute best to catch a fish on a Twizzler. I just couldn't make it happen. If you want to see another part to that, drop a comment down below and I'll make sure to try and make another video fishing with Twizzlers. But with that being said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like on this video, comment and subscribe for future content just like this. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.